General Motor here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set the clock on your VCR due to daylight savings time crap. Step 1 is to locate all the remote controls that control everything, because dadgum they can't make a universal remote that works for everything. Step 2, you gotta put batteries in all the remotes that don't have them. 4 is to turn on the device. Step 5 is to find the source button and keep pressing it until it gets to where you want it to be. Step 6, find the menu button on your VCR and press it. Then, using these buttons here, navigate down to where it says clock. Now you see mine's all screwed up. It's 7:21 p.m., not a.m. After you get it right, hit the enter button. Now your VCR clock will show the right time, at least for another 6, 7, 8 months or so. Now I hear lots of reasons why they have this stupid daylight savings, but listen, politicians, get rid of it. Nobody likes it. Vote it out, now. And drop and give me 20.